All right, Mr. Hill, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your pleas. Find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your cases so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That will give me more information about you, your cases, and we'll come back at a later date for sentencing.
Yes, ma'am. Could I motion for a waiver?
No, we're not going to, there's no waiver in a first-degree felony of pre-sentence report. I'm going to get that report. I'm also not going to adjust your bond at this amount based on the nature of these offenses until I see what those that report looks like.
And Your Honor, I want to address something the court's going to see and going to ask me about in about 5 or 6 weeks. His jail disciplinary history is about as bad as you'll see. That needs to be immediately addressed. I anticipate asking the court for some programs to address his behavior, but I want to let the court know and let him know he's threatening guards, spitting on guards, threatening to dash guards, dashing other inmates, literally climbed the walls of the day room while they tried to place him in restraints.
He's a fraudulent claim, Your Honor.
Let me tell you something real quick, Mr. Hill, all right? And this isn't going to be some negotiation and talk back and forth. You need to listen very carefully to what I'm about to say. If you have another incident report between now and when you come back for sentencing, I am not required to accept this plea agreement. I don't have to. We can let a jury decide if they think a probation is what you need for an aggravated robbery and an aggravated assault. Because my guess is they might not. They would just go ahead and send you to prison, especially because at a trial, they will see the same things that I see at sentencing, which is every one of those incident reports from the day you got in. That jury will see that. I will see that.
Yes, ma'am. They haven't given me an option to wait.
What did I tell you? This isn't this isn't that. Those officers out there are doing their jobs. They're trying to go make a living and go home to their families. Hold on. I'm telling you right now. Stop talking. That's your second warning. I can reject these right now. We can set your trial. Is that what you want to happen? Then stop talking. I told you this today is just going to be a listening thing. I have a feeling that's part of your problem in jail is because you won't just sit and listen. You are there because of your actions. They are doing their jobs. Grow up. Because you're in big boy court, you're a grown man now for our purposes. And stop acting like a little heathen out in our jail. Or we will let a jury decide what to do with you. It's that simple. You can go back with the bailiff. Well, here we go again, I think. You're Dante Caddy?
Yes.
Mr. Caddy, you were previously in court and entered pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, and 4 in a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. You're on probation for burglary of a habitation. It was a 7-year deferred probation. I have received the updated pre-sentence report, and has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
So there was no agreement reached. Ms. Holmes, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I've discussed this MTRP with Mr. Caddy. He has pled true to the violations involving the thefts that occurred at Target location in Port Arthur. Your Honor, Mr. Caddy has also had the opportunity in the past to successfully complete the ISF program in 2023. He did